Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to blur video in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to add blur effect to a specific part of the video or image, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To blur a part of a video in Clipchamp, first of all, open Clipchamp on your computer and log into your account. Now, upload a video that you want to blur entirely or partially. You can upload by clicking on the Import Media button or dragging and dropping your video or picture from your computer. Once uploaded, drag and drop your uploaded video or image into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here, I am going to blur this account name and followers. To do that, click on the video clip in the timeline. Duplicate the video or image that you want to blur in a specific part. To do this, right-click on the layer and select Duplicate from the pop-up menu that appears. Now, drag and adjust the duplicated clip above the original one. Once adjusted, select the upper layer from the timeline. In the video preview, you will see various options. Select Crop from here. Now, crop the video or image to exclude everything except the account name and followers. Once satisfied, click on the tick icon. Now, from the right side of the screen, click on Effects. This will display lots of effects available in Clipchamp. From here, scroll down and select Blur. Now, you can see the account name and followers are blurred. You can also adjust the blur level from the right side. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a blur effect to your video or photo in the Clipchamp video editor.